My dear IT software engineer, hey, I'm talking to you. If you're an IT engineer, this is for you. Let me share a true story of my friend Siva, who was gone through the tragic life for past 6 months. He was working as an IT software engineer who works for more than 10 plus hours in front of system. He was earning so great salary and having beautiful wife and 2 kids, amazing life. Until one day he was collapsed in his desk. His teammates rushed him to the hospital. The doctor told, you have to take 6 months rest, bed rest. He was so sad because he can't drive his expensive car. He can't enjoy playing with his lovely kids, and he can't spend his quality time with his wife. He can't take care even his elder parents. Imagine the situation. Dear friend, this is the wake-up call for you, like a software professional who works more than 10 plus hours in front of system. If you really care about your health, if you really want to do something, just comment down below by mentioning health. I have been designing a great workout for 6-minute workout especially for IT folks, which can transform your life within 30 days. I can bet you this I'm going to share you personally. I'm going to guide you for another 30 days because I have taken a challenge of 365 days of continuous workout and sharing a video daily basis. Join with me to create a better, huge, amazing, healthy planet. If you are serious, ping me. See you tomorrow on 23rd day challenge. Till then, stay happy and healthy. See you tomorrow.